Worth depends on aspiration. One day a man asked a preacher, a most eminent expounder, to answer a question in religious assembly. A bird has settled on the city wall. Which is better, the bird's head or its tail? The preacher answered, if its face is to the town and its tail is to the country, then its face is better than its tail. If the tail is toward the town and its face toward the country, then the dust is on the tail and spring is away from its face. A bird flies to its nest by means of its wings. The wings of humankind is its aspiration. In the case of the lover who is soiled with good and bad, think not of the good and bad, only regard the aspiration. If a falcon is white and beyond compare, is it bad when it hunts for a mouse? And an owl when desiring a king? Is it noble as a falcon's head? Does the bodily form mask the spirit? Man is no bigger than a scoop in a log, yet he has surpassed the heavens above. Did heaven ever hear, "We have honored," which this sorrowful man heard from God? Did anyone offer the earth and sky his beauty and reason and expressions of speech? Did you ever display to heaven your beauty and showiness of judgment? Did you ever, O sun, offer silvery limbs for the pictured forms in the gallery? No, for sure, you lift out the figures, except to a half-blind old woman. Old women have soul that mingles with body, while pictures have nothing that moves. Conscious of good and evil both, rejoicing in kindness, weeping from pain. The more conscious we are, the more soul we have. Think not of the good and bad, only regard the aspiration. The wings of humankind is its aspirations, and its worth depends on that. The more conscious, the more soul.